A new cryptocurrency, said to be a rival to Dogecoin, has hit the market and risen in value by a massive 130% in 24 hours. Shiba Inu coins are one of the latest cryptocurrencies to hit the market. We round up 5 things you need to know. It comes as crypto fans are on the hunt for the next success story to follow Bitcoin. Buying crypto and decentralized finance tokens as well as stocks and shares is a risky business. Investing is not a guaranteed way to make money, so make sure you know the risks and can afford to lose the money. Cryptos are also highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. So, let's explain this first. Shiba Inu is a token. Shiba Inu coins are cryptocurrency meme tokens and allow users to hold trillions of them, according to its website. These tokens are listed and incentivized on ShibaSwap, its own decentralized exchange. Its website claims to have locked 50% of its total supply to Uniswap, while the remaining has been burned to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin. The tokens feature the same Shiba Inu dog as Dogecoin, which has rocketed in popularity recently. Second, its value has surged in 24 hours. The value of Shiba Inu is currently sitting at $0.00003026, compared to a lower $0.000006 in mid-April, according to CoinMarketCap. At the time of writing, it's up by almost 130% in 24 hours, but it's obviously starting from a low number, so rises will appear bigger. In comparison, Dogecoin is currently worth 51 US cents, up from $0.005 at the beginning of the year. A number of Dogecoin lookalikes have thrived thanks to the recent surging value of the Shiba Inu-themed coin. Third, it aims to replicate the success of Dogecoin. Susanna Streeter, senior investment and markets analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, told The Sun the token appears to have been created to give Dogecoin a run for its money. She added, "It features the same dog which became a meme, and aims to replicate Dogecoin's success of turning a joke into a money-making machine." The value of Dogecoin has surged thanks to celebrity backing, while a bunch of Reddit threads also called for it to hit a value of $1 per coin. The Shiba token website said, nicknamed the Dogecoin killer, this ERC20-only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time, relatively speaking. However, investing in Shiba is risky and you could lose it all. Investing in cryptocurrencies is essentially gambling, and there are no guarantees that you will see what you pay and go up in value. Cryptocurrencies are very high risk and a speculative investment, with limited track records and no underlying value. There is also no guarantee that you can convert crypto assets back into cash, as it may depend on the demand and supply in the existing market. Ms. Streeter said, investors should treat trading in crypto with extreme caution, and only with money they can afford to lose. While Nigel Green, chief executive of DeVere Group, added, extreme caution should be exercised before investing in untested crypto. There are major differences between the likes of Bitcoin, which runs on cutting-edge tech and has a limited supply giving it scarcity value like gold, amongst other valuable attributes, and unknown digital tokens which seemingly have no inherent value. So, be on high alert over new crypto coins. It is unclear if Shiba Inu is legitimate. Very little is known about it, and this could mean that your money is at higher risk. Newer cryptocurrencies are the most risky, as it's harder to tell if they're legitimate. This means you're more open to fall for a scam. UK crypto asset businesses must register with the Financial Conduct Authority, and you can check to see if they are on the Financial Services Register or if they are on a list of firms with temporary registration. There is also a list of businesses not registered. If they are on this list, then they may be operating illegally. Even if they are on a list, the city watchdog is not responsible for regulating them, and they don't have any power over how they conduct business with customers. Essentially, it is very hard to tell which firms are real and which ones are scammers. Crypto firms also aren't regulated in the way that other financial firms are, meaning you won't have any protection if things go wrong. You won't be able to take a complaint to the Financial Ombudsman Service, for example. In January, the UK Financial Conduct Authority warned people they risk losing all of their money if they invest in crypto. Meanwhile, an advert for a Bitcoin exchange Coinflora was banned in March for telling savers cryptocurrencies are a safe investment. People considering investing in Bitcoin or shares and stocks have also been warned over risky tips being shared on TikTok. In order to buy Shiba Inu coin, investors will need to use platforms like CoinDCX, Binance, and Coinbase to purchase the coin. Buyers will have to connect the supported cryptocurrency wallet to Uniswap. According to Binance, the total supply of Shiba Inu coin tokens is 1 quadrillion, and the current circulating supply is 100%. According to Shiba Token's website, there are some centralized exchanges that have listed SHIB, but CEXs have a history of locking funds. If you can, it is safer to trade on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or 1inch. But, will the coin ever reach $1? It's massively early days as very little is known about the cryptocurrency, especially one that appears to be a meme crypto like this one. However, with the success of Dogecoin, there is a possibility in the future. Its price at the time of writing is $0.00003191, which means there will be a long way to go in order to get it up there with the likes of Dogecoin. But investors should be warned, as many people are unsure how reliable and legitimate this token is, and if they want to invest, they must understand the massive risks associated with it in investing in cryptocurrency. A new cryptocurrency, said to be a rival to Dogecoin, has hit the market and risen in value by a massive 130% in 24 hours. Shiba Inu coins are one of the latest cryptocurrencies to hit the market. We round up 5 things you need to know. It comes as crypto fans are on the hunt for the next success story to follow Bitcoin. Buying crypto and decentralized finance tokens as well as stocks and shares is a risky business. Investing is not a guaranteed way to make money, so make sure you know the risks and can afford to lose the money. Cryptos are also highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. So, hello and welcome back to my channel for another video. Please consider to like and subscribe. It helps tremendous. With that said, let's go into the video. A quick take about Shiba Token. It's a Dogecoin-like project with a huge total supply of coins that has shot up in value in recent weeks. The growth was helped by listings at several major exchanges. As a result, some early token holders have seen their holdings grow enormously. While Dogecoin got name-dropped on Saturday Night Live last weekend, another dog-themed cryptocurrency is making waves this week. Like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu tokens are themed around the Shiba Inu breed of dog. They are also designed to be fun tokens that come with a woof paper instead of a white paper. They have a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, compared with an unlimited total supply and a circulating supply of 129 billion of Dogecoins, and each token is worth just a fraction of a cent. Since the start of May, Shiba Inu tokens have shot up in value. According to CoinGecko, the tokens have gone from $0.000015 to their current value of $0.00003, a 1,900% rise. This was helped by recent listings on crypto exchanges OKEx, Huobi, FTX and Poloniex, and an upcoming listing on crypto exchange Binance. This growth has put some early token holders into the money. One account purchased 200 billion tokens for just $17 in October 2020. Those tokens are now worth $6.5 million on paper, if you multiply by the number of tokens by the price. But, with current liquidity, they could actually be cashed out through decentralized exchange Uniswap for $5.9 million. But, with current liquidity, they could actually be cashed out through decentralized exchange Uniswap for $5.9 million. The other 50% was given to Buterin, with the intention of them being taken out of circulation and not to be sold. While the Shiba Inu tokens may seem friendly, they are causing havoc on the Ethereum blockchain. According to the Block Research's Igor Agamberdiev, transactions involving the Shiba Inu tokens are now using up 10% of available gas, the token used to pay for Ethereum fees. According to Etherscan, this has helped raise fees to around $20 for a simple transaction and around $180 for a swap on Uniswap. Shibmania, in many ways, repeats the events that took place earlier at Binance Smart Chain with meme tokens. However, the characteristic difference here is the potential lack of opportunity for rug pull, he tweeted. Other meme coins have been popping in recent weeks too. Dogekiller, Leash, which is part of the Shiba Inu token ecosystem, shot up from $600 to $8,400 this month. A token called Doge Elon Mars, which follows Shiba Inu's distribution strategy, rose 640% in the last week, reaching a current market cap of $634 million. It's worth noting that these types of tokens come with higher levels of risk. With no clear use case, these meme tokens may struggle to maintain traction in the long run. And as we saw with Dogecoin over the weekend, what goes up can quickly fall back down. Hello and welcome